Good evening, all world people. I'm glad to meet you again on another episode. Um, this is again a universe research topic from rmoonlife.com. Uh, Here, I'm looking at an article in perspective where we are talking about true wisdom. Um, the wording is somewhat, unique. The reason here is that we're translating it from core language in Tamil, where where wisdom, the property of wisdom, is categorized into four natures, where one is science wisdom, we can call it science. The second is true wisdom. The third is life wisdom. And the fourth is creation or creator's wisdom. And all these four natures combined together forms one's true wisdom. So here, when we call true wisdom, right, we call it Meinyanam, which means that you know the higher realized common sense that would apply, like how science rule or law would apply in scientific applications. Similarly, the wisdom from true nature would apply in life, no matter whom the person might be. Something, a simplest way of explaining it would be a proverbial quote, which is like true to one nation or one particular culture transcends into another culture as well, where it is almost like an universal language. That's exactly what true wisdom is. And in our article, it's so beautifully explained how parallelly the true wisdom and the nature of science wisdom are in parallel nature. So when we talk over here, we're saying people in science, right? True people of science, or who people who get to know science really well, are the people who can naturally, in a very natural sense, could traverse through all the knowledge areas that come out of science. For instance, let's say a good science person would understand uh, the first law of Newton, right? That law's true application, a person who understands, every knowledge areas um, of you know Newton's first law in application, the same person would have a better grasp and understanding of the true nature of that law, and for them science becomes easier to be grasped. And that, not necessarily easier, those are the people who actually grasp science, is what is defined in our article over here. And that extrapolated into you know uh, how true wisdom works. And that is a person who has attuned himself to his surrounding in such a way that any life happening, he could take it naturally and create his own space within his mind to take the happening around him uh, within himself in such a natural way. For him, uh, wisdom becomes uh, easier aspect of life. And this knowledge here, another aspect is also told: a person who is also in attunement with nature. So these are the attributes: clarity, who can function naturally in any aspects of life, and a person who is in attunement with the nature has a good grasp of true wisdom. And the beauty over here is how true nature true wisdom encapsulates the definition of science over here. We know people of science go through the same difficulty, right? Like though the knowledge areas are there, when a new knowledge area gets expanded, it becomes really difficult to grasp that and bring it into your overall understanding of what the fundamental rule is or the fundamental law is. And so you'll need to like wait for all of those aspects to come together to make that definition, and something new comes by and the core definition again gets redefined. And that's how one grasps science, and the same difficulty is available for the people of true wisdom or people of wisdom as well. And articles like this gives an opportunity for people of both factions to be compassionate between each other, and even within a single person, having both nature complement each other, and having to like segregate both life paths would truly bring out the best of us. And I hope the knowledge that I'm sharing from Hormone Life Research does the same through this video. And I hope to connect back with you on yet another video with better clarity and more information. Thank you for connecting with me. Have a great day. Bye.